Hi everyone. This is an overview of privacy or confidential information and where we want to use it or put it in OP as a practice. One of the issues that we have discussed in the past is what is the best place to put confidential information about a patient that you feel is important for other practitioners to know when they are seeing the patient, but that you don't really want to just have visible in the chart. I think we've all decided as a group that the problem list is the best place to put any information that we think is important for people to know about a patient when they're seeing them. But certain confidential problems you may not want to appear on the public problem list, so to speak. You may want that hidden. So I think this is a recent change in OP. I'm starting to lose track and I can't remember, but I believe it is, and I think this is going to help us. So if you have an issue about a patient and you need to keep it private, but you want to make sure everyone can see it, here's what you do. Right now, I think this is the change and it's kind of cool. OP has now made this EFR designation with a number after it. So what this is saying is, hey, there is a small piece of confidential information here on this problem list. By the number one's telling you there is something there. So that is really nice because you immediately know that there is something to look at. So if you're looking at the overview screen and you see this, you come down here and you click Include Confidential, and all of a sudden you can see it, which is kind of nice. Now, what if you're not looking at the overview screen? And this has been our problem in the past. What if somebody doesn't catch this? I think this is where they have also made a change. Let's say you're in a note. So we're going to start a new note. And let's say we're in this note and we're documenting and we come down to review a problem list. You come over here and right here again it says, hey, there is actually something here. So this is a really nice reminder to tell you, oh, there's something I should look at. And you can click this and see it right here. In the past, you had to go out to the chart view to be able to see it. So this is really nice. Now you can very easily see, okay, there is something. Oh, good to know. And then you can unclick it if you don't want it visible. So if you are seeing a patient and there is information that is very important that you think everyone should know about, what you need to do is enter it in the problem list. So we can do that here. Let's say this is an issue. Let's say this is something we want to make sure we put on the problem list. Uses cocaine regularly. Clearly, something we should all know. Something that's not good. Probably don't want everybody to know. You come down here and you say, okay, any staff member, visibility, you change this to providers only. And that's what we've decided on as a group. And then save. Now, again, you're not seeing it, but oh, look, hey, now it's saying, hey, there are two issues that you need to know about. Click on that, and then you get your substance abuse and the cocaine. Unclick it, it's not there. So that is the way to make sure that we enter information relevant for everybody. So if a patient was sexually abused, if there's substance abuse, if there are any other kind of confidential information that you really think is relevant, this is the way to enter it so the rest of us can all be aware. All right, thanks. Hope that was helpful. Bye-bye.